smoked water. Smoked water can be a difficult thing to obtain from nurseries. There's not really much of a market. Seeing one brew from this would probably my apparatus here can probably do the whole of the New South Wales nursery industry for several years. So there's no money in making smoked water, so that's why it's not generally available. What this apparatus is, all we have is an empty cylinder here which we fill with leaf debris from underneath plants in the bush. That's placed in there, and then we set fire to that. In this container here is full of water. Once the fire's going, we put this apparatus back on here and we put a conventional blower on there. The blower blows the smoke down this pipe into the water, and it bubbles through the water, and you just leave the blower on until such time as the fire burns itself out, or 20 minutes, whatever, and then you'll find that you have now got 10 litres or so of a smoky, smelly water. Now that water it is extremely potent. You don't need to use it full strength. You can dilute it, say 1 in 10 or whatever, and it will still be fine for use. And it lasts, I know, at least 2 years I get out of a brew, and probably a lot longer. But that's it. We make our own smoked water here, but it is occasionally available in nurseries and such places.